other than iron. Again, come to the non-metallic materials. Non-metallic materials. Divide non-metallic material into two. Synthetic materials. In the other block, write down natural materials. Next, below the synthetic materials, write down plastics, ceramics, composites. Composites. In the natural materials, write down rubber, wood, diamond, silica. Once again, first starting of engineering materials, the non-metallic materials. Non-metallic materials are classified into two. Subdivision number one, natural materials. Other one is synthetic materials. For synthetic materials, good example, polymers. Polymers are classified into two, plastics and rubbers. A plastic again classified into two, thermoplastics, thermosetting resin or thermoset. The word thermo is used because if you provide the heat to the plastic, that will become liquid. You leave the liquid plastic in the open air, after a short period of time, that liquid plastic becomes solid plastic. Again, thermoplastic is classified into two, crystalline thermoplastics, amorphous plastics. Amorphous thermoplastics. The crystalline means that thermoplastic has crystal structure, that is BCC, FCC and HCP. Amorphous is a solid. Next, in the rubber, which is classified into one, elastomer. Elastomer is nothing but rubber material. If you apply the load in that direction, there will be elongation. So after remove the load, that elongation is come to the normal equilibrium position. That is nothing but elasticity is present in elastomers. Next, as already we discussed, classification of engineering materials. Engineering materials are classified into two, metals and non-metallic materials. Metals are classified into two, ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous are considered as the amount of iron is present in the ferrous, that is called cast iron, stainless steel, alloy steel, ceramic steel, and low carbon steel, and cast iron, pig iron. All those things are coming to the family ferrous metals. And non-ferrous metals are other than iron, aluminium, copper, nickel, gold, silver, platinum. Again, in the classification of non-metallic materials, synthetic materials are plastics, ceramics, and composites. And the natural material, which is available naturally, that is wood, rubber, diamond, and silica. Write down the explanation. First, you write down engineering materials. Below that, write down ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Underline that. Write down ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Non-ferrous metals form the most important group among all the engineering materials. All the engineering materials. All the engineering materials in the world. I repeat, ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Ferrous and non-ferrous metals form the most important group among all the engineering materials in the world. These metals has wide varieties of physical and mechanical properties. These metals has wide varieties of physical and mechanical properties and are used in every aspect of life. I told you to keep 200 pages king size notebook, geometrical instruments such as compass, protractor, scale, eraser. I repeat, write down the title, ferrous and non-ferrous metals. I repeat, ferrous and non-ferrous metals form the most important group among all the engineering materials in the world. These metals has wide varieties of physical and mechanical properties and are used in every aspect of life. Now, I stop at this stage. I will continue in the next class. Now, all of you, please write your name and USN in the chat box and answer roll call. Answer roll call. All of you unmute yourself. All of you please unmute yourself. Jason, George.
Present, sir. Jason. Present, sir.
Jason. Okay. Samar.
Present, sir.
Pooja.
Present, sir.
Rupa.
Present, sir.
Yatindra.
Present, sir.
Samarth G. Swati.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
Okay, Samarth present.
Present, sir.
Swati present.
Yes, sir.
Vineet
Present, sir.
G.
Present, sir. Present.
Sanjana
Present, sir.
TR.
Present, sir.
Shreya S.
Present, sir.
Syed Akil.
Present, sir.
Shravya D.
Present, sir.
Yashaswini.
Present, sir.
Shivnash.
Shivansh, sir.
Shivansh Verma.
Present, sir.
Pratik CR. Sufyan Khan.
Present, sir.
Srijan.
Present, sir.
Vashita.
Present, sir.
Vaishnavi.
Present, sir.
Manikya.
Present, sir.
Shreya.
Present, sir.
Deepti.
Present, sir.
Danyata.
Present, sir.
Amruta
Present.
S.
Present, sir.
Vanyashri.
Present, sir.
Sakshi.
Present, sir.
Vanushri,
Present, sir.
Kushal,
Sir.
Spandana,
Present, sir.
Pragna,
Present, sir.
Zakriya Ahmad,
Zikri Ahmad, sir. Present, sir.
Zikri Ahmad, okay.
Yes, sir.
Vachana,
Present, sir.
Kushi,
Present, sir.
Mohammad Sahil,
Present, sir.
Sri KS,
Present, sir.
Vishwas,
Yes, sir.
Suhas,
Present, sir.
Vijendran,
Yes, sir.
Manya SH,
Present, sir.
Rukmini,
Present, sir.
Shraddha, Shraddha CS Atreya, Suchitra, okay, Suchitra, Tanmayi, Ruchita,
Present, sir.
Vinayak S,
Present, sir.
Vinyas Shri,
Present, sir.
Sandeep,
Good morning, sir.
Neha SR,
Present, sir.
Anushri,
Present, sir.
Varsha,
Present, sir.
okay. One important announcement. All of you, please keep 200 pages king size notebook along with the mobile or laptop or computer. Whenever I inform you to write the diagram, write the explanation, write down. Along with your notes, keep geometrical instruments, scale, eraser, pencil, protractor, and compass. So whichever the explanation you note down, that's very, very important. That comprises all the portions of your syllabus. After the class, you can collect 4 or 5 question papers and go through the notes. All the answers are available. Okay. Otherwise, bring it to me. I will give the answers. Now, I stop at this stage. I will continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you very
Hello,
much.
sir.
Hello.
ಹಲೋ
Hello.
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ನೇಮ್ ಕರೆದಿಲ್ಲ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಅಂತ.
ಹೇಳಿ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ.
ಸೂರ್ಯ ಎಸ್.
Okay. Surya, yes. Okay. Next, anybody else?
Hello, sir.
ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ.
Sir, Manoj.
Manoj P. Okay. Next.
Vibhajiam.
Sir, Pratik.
Vibhajiam. Okay. Next. Anybody else? One more thing. Suppose you are attended the class in the JUMP software. If you get absent, don't worry. Write down the date and the time of the class and send it to me. After starting of the class, I will correct the attendance. Don't worry. If you get absent in the jumps, don't worry. Bring it to me after starting of the class. That is offline class. So after 7, you may have offline class. That time you show me the date and time. I will correct the attendance. Don't worry about the attendance. If you are attended in the jumps, if you have absent, no problem. Bring it to me. I will correct it afterwards. Now I stop at this stage. I will continue in the next class.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Welcome.